Hello, you're welcome back to my channel. God bless you. And today I'm gonna be showing you how I tweak my addictive drums while tracking and sequencing a contemporary gospel drum track. So I have this drum sequence for the intro of that particular song, and this is how I tweak the addictive drum with the inbuilt effects to sound a little bit a bit bigger than the default precepts of the kits I'm making use of. Just subtle EQ changes, although some might be dramatic. I mean, the EQ change, but it is needed, and you will hear the effect of this effect made. Now I'm working on one of the toms, the second toms, trying to adjust the lower end, the lower mid of the second rack tom to sound, give it a bit more low end, and also you can see for the toms, both the rack tom and the floor toms, I'm cutting out majority of the lower mids that could cause mud and boxiness, and also I'm giving it some eyes. This is the kick. I'm searching for that sweet spot where the kick, the click of the kick that gives it this attack. You know, when you listen to contemporary gospel records, you always, or live performances, you hear that attack on the kick. So that's what I'm gaming for over here, and tweaking the sustain and the attack. I want the attack. I want the kick to have this attack, and so I'm increasing the attack and cutting off the sustain of the kick. I want it snappy. When doing things like this, you must have a picture of what you want for the record even before you start, so that you know exactly the moves to, the things to make changes to. By the way, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel for gospel music production tutorials, piano tutorials, and lots more. Equally, if this lesson is helping you, kindly like this lesson and share it. Also, you can also comment if you have any opinion, questions, or whatsoever. And yes, I'm not a professional mix engineer, but I can give you something nice if there's anything like that. Okay, so I'm trying to give this snare some body, as you can see, some body and some attack. I'm cutting out the mid frequency. Yeah, I don't want those frequency in my snare. And over here, I'm trying to solo the tom to C. I think I will just need to cut out some of the low end to make way for the kick, although the tom is not coming in frequently, especially that tom 3, except for the rolls. Okay, so we have the room over here. I don't want much of the room ambience, so that it won't sound boxy. So I reduce the room ambience, and I'm still working on the tom 3. That's the rack tom 3. So I had to cut out some of the low end to about 100 or 80. I really can't see this well because this stuff is small for me to see. Okay, so I'm just, you can see, okay, I'm going to the effects section to add some to do some ascent to the reverb, so that the whole drums will sound a bit bigger, especially for the toms and for the snare. Okay. The snares are a bit bigger and round than what it was at the beginning. And by the way, this is the direct sound coming from the Addictive drum, although I've done some external processing, but every of the external processing at the moment are not activated. So I want the overhead and the room of these toms for the hi-hats, the toms, the floor tom, the rack tom and the floor tom to be panned in accordance to the pan arrangement of the kits themselves. So as to give it a more spread in the stereo field. I tell you, Addictive drums is one of the drums we have out there that sound realistic as an acoustic drum, as a VST, and you know, you have the liberty to do all these tweaks, to make all these changes to your drum kit, and even to save your preset. As you can see, as I'm working on it, I'm saving the presets. I'm saving it, and I have a couple of presets that I've worked on, and this is just one of it. Okay, so let's see what this is the default preset. Doesn't sound that bad also, but I just need something better. These are some of the presets I have already, and this is the one I'm working on presently. Can you notice the subtle difference between this and the default presets? And the toms are a bit more punchier than what it was. Yeah, this is the default preset again. So I took it from here, from this point to this point, to this point, and then to this other point. So between the PPG Contemporary Drums Gospel 1 and the 0, there's a little difference between the two. So I tried to check one of the presets I had worked over before, but I think the file itself is missing. I'll go check for it and add it up back to the list of my presets. Okay, so this is not sounding entirely bad. The toms are punchier than it was before. The bass drum also is more heavier and everything sounds cohesive together. Sounds more cohesive together than what it was before. Okay, so this is the track, and the drum is fairly low in terms of volume compared to other elements. I will just have to give it some more volume. And then because I'm using a fairly low bitrate, my system is struggling to power the plugin, so I will head over to my settings in Studio One and increase my buffer rate. I think that did the job. It worked the wonders. Okay, so that's the power of Addictive drums over here. We have other better drum, what's called drum VSTs. For now, let's say the Addictive drums. We have several drum kits over here. I just prefer to work on this and to see what I can get from it. Okay, so I'm giving it some volume. So let's check some of the external processing that I have on this. As you can see, the processing are all external processing they are all deactivated. Now I'm trying to activate them one after the other. I'm struggling to play the tracks together with these two plugins from FabFilter. That's Timeless and the Reverb, so I put them off. So I have this process on the drum, on the snare drum and the toms. Tom 1, Tom 2, Tom 3, and this on the master boss on the boss. Okay, man, I'm loving this. So the trick I made inside of Addictive drum with the external processing, this is what we have. This is sounding more like a record. Yeah, like a live performance. You have this live performance feel and the vibes. So yeah, so this is how I tweak my drums and process my drums. Maybe later I'll be showing you the processes, the external processes I have on the drum. So let's hear what everything sounds together like. Remember to subscribe to this channel, like this channel, like this lesson if this lesson has been of help to you. Come on, I love this. This sounding great and good. Alright, bye.